Safety.
Welcome to another episode of VA Performance. I don't know where this episode's going. We're going to take you along for a ride in the 98 Honda Prelude.
So, let's give them the story on this Prelude and, tell them what we've done so far.
Well, it's lived a long, rough life. I got it for free for a trade for a set of wheels that I also got for free. So, I don't know that this was the better deal out of it all or not, but we're working on it. We did do a few minor maintenance things, plugs, oil, the fuel tank had some leaks. We properly, professionally patched that.
Definitely didn't put bubble gum on.
No. So that's fine.
Wheel bearings were trashed.
Yep, both wheel bearings were trashed. Put some new rear rotors on and most of the rear pads.
Yeah.
And so this thing should be pretty safe to drive.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's got a distributor cap on it.
Oh yeah, look at all this money we put. It's basically a brand new car.
So
Don't
definitely
look at the rust though.
And I'll be taking this with because I just like to carry it around with me. Definitely not terrified of
Not for safety at all.
the oil
We don't
leaking
need-
onto the
this is
headers.
safe.
Yeah, or leaking out everywhere. And one last thing before we drive it.
Gotta christen it, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to put it on all this dirt.
I need something here. All right, it's officially a BA Performance car.
This
Yeah.
is the side to put it on. It definitely represents us well.
Yeah, exactly. So, let's grab our safety canister here and go for a drive, huh?
All right.
Wow, key didn't even stick or nothing.
I know.
We're fixing stuff here. That I take it is down.
That doesn't work.
Okay, I want some air in case we fill up with smoke or something. That was smoother than the first time I drove it.
Yeah, because we fix things.
The brake is hardly dragging. Oh, the power steering's non-existent.
Yeah, you knew that. Oh, the steering wheel is not locked in.
Oh.
I unlocked that to do the gauges, so you might want to lock that in before we get
it does
the
lock
highway
in.
speeds.
I put my sunglasses on, but
It's dark enough.
Oh,
It's like I'm
it's-
driving sunglasses.
I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
it might as well just say pit viper across the window.
Have you noticed how gross that rear view mirror is?
So weird. Does this work? No, that doesn't work.
No, mirrors don't work. You don't need those. You got this lovely clean one. Look how gross that is.
I
Dude,
feel like
it's
I've caught a
so
disease
gross.
just from looking at it. Now I have cataracts. Is eye mold a thing?
If you stare at it long enough.
All I need to see is red and blue. Oh yeah. Brakes are,
Working?
suggestional.
Oh, they're go fast.
Oh, the other wheel was spinning. That's because the slick is getting all the traction. Oh, it sounds good. It feels pretty good. The helicopter noise is gone. I got a quarter tank of gas. Smell some burning
Everything?
oil. That's fine.
Yeah.
Not on fire. We just smell fire.
Potential fire. Come on. God, we never checked how much oil we had when we left.
Ah, I remember. It was on the dipstick.
Yeah, but we drove it in between then.
Yeah.
It started it. It didn't even have to move, technically.
Safety.
I can't see anything. It's like it's always flipped.
Yeah.
You know?
All right, guys, we made it to Quick Trip. Our oil level is down to just above the bottom circle, but we didn't really check it before we left. Yeah, we'll check it when we get back to the shop.
Yeah.
I'm unsure what that new helicopter noise is.
I'm not too concerned about it though.
No, it only does it at slow speed, so.
Yeah, and this thing's always gonna be going fast.
Right. Oh, we're getting a TJ Maxx.
Oh, really?
Yep, right there where they're doing all this stuff.
It's pretty random,
All right.
but not bad. Yeah, although
It's like,
I thought TJ Maxx was going out of business.
Well, I thought they were done opening up new stores.
Yeah.
That's for sure. Made it back home. The thing smells like breakfast sausage. That's a weird brake smell, but yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is definitely radiating some fumes. We're gonna check the oil, see if there's any left. Oh, that's lower than it was at the gas station.
Well, yeah, we knew that was gonna happen. It's like below the
dot now?
Yeah, not much, but
That's because that's at the front of the motor and it's parked on a hill.
On a hill. Yep, that's why.
That's why.
Yep.
Yep, we're parked on a hill, so totally has enough oil.
It's nothing to do with the two puddles that were this big when we were sitting at the gas station. Or the smoke.
It's just an exhaust leak.
Yeah. It'd be so bad. Oil stopped up.
All right, we're gonna go make a hour and a half round trip just for some lunch.
Hopefully an hour and a half.
Well, it might be longer.
Yeah.
If we break down, it takes about an hour and a half for a tow truck, so there's an hour and a half in there somewhere.
Yeah. Here we go.
Well, it's because this. Jabbing right into my hand.
Look at this window tint, guys. Half the window. That's fine.
Fully tinted with dirt.
Should we clean it?
Where the...
Well, we've made it about 45 minutes driving.
Yep.
Still good.
Still got fuel.
Still got fuel.
Still got... that's fine. Don't know about the oil.
Yeah, most of the lights are missing in the dash, so if they were on, we wouldn't know.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll check the oil when we get to the bar restaurant.
Yeah. Or after.
Or after. Brakes are still super iffy.
Yeah. I also noticed it kind of... It walks on these lane highways like this.
Oh, is that because of the bushings or the tire?
None. It's fine.
It's fine.
My other Honda does this too, just much worse.
Ah. It's like not even smoking like it was before.
Probably because there's nothing in it. Bring it right.
Well, you're in luck. There's one holding the intake up.
I keep doing that. God damn it.
What'd you do?
I keep leaning on the radiator. I don't think. Maybe.
Oh yeah, it's just clean yet. It hasn't got dirty. Look at that, it's still full.
We'll check it before we leave.
Yeah, let it settle. Well, I think we overfilled it a little bit at the house.
It was hard to tell.
Yeah.
A lot of that didn't run down there yet.
All right, our what was that? 100 miles?
Yeah, if even, but yeah, approximately 100-mile road trip. Made it, smooth sailing. Got lunch.
Yeah, nothing broke down.
Nothing got better.
Nothing got better.
I think there's moisture building up on top of the.
Somehow the power steering, which has probably no fluid in it. I mean, we dumped some in there and it all like came right out. There's moisture building up on there. It smelled like cheesy popcorn at one point. I don't really know.
A bunch of flavor.
Yeah, there was a lot of smells.
Crazy world, a lot of smells.
So yeah, we'll check the oil and, well, that's inconclusive. Yeah, looks a little lower than it did.
Yeah, it's definitely low.
When we were at the
Definitely low.
than when we were at the place. So 100 miles, quart of oil. And that was the thick stuff.
Yeah, that's gonna get a little pricey.
Oh,
yeah, more work to be done on this, but I mean, pretty much I'd say it's a success. I mean, compared to when this thing pulled out or pulled into the driveway to what it is now, it's come a long way.
It's come a long way.
Already less leaky than it was before, which is hard to believe. But yeah, so make sure that you guys comment what we should do next to this, like, subscribe, and yeah, peace out.
we have stickers available. There's a link in the description. So this is our holographic BA Performance logo sticker. Very cool sticker. Won't find them anywhere else. Dope. And we have a new sticker. Don't have as many of them, but this is our Clappers only sticker. Let's see if we can show it there. Yeah, so we got a cool trash panda here, and he loves clappers. And yeah, it's our Clapper only sticker. If you guys like clappers and trash pandas, you know, that's the sticker for you right there.
Broke ass performance is what it stands for.